Today, we're diving into the Sony A7 III Kit, packed with 18 goodies that promise a stellar photography and videography experience. The camera body itself boasts 4K capabilities, giving you crisp, high-resolution footage. Pair that with the transcend 128GB SDHC card for ample storage. The inclusion of an extra battery and charger ensures extended shooting sessions without interruptions. Now, let's talk accessories. The Vivitar battery grip and wrist strap offer enhanced handling, while the Vivitar SF4000 flash and PD LED video light provide versatile lighting options for any setting. Audio-wise, the VidPro condenser mic steps up your sound gain, a crucial component for quality video production. Protection? Covered. The Vivitar DC79 case and LCD screen protectors safeguard your investment. Plus, the PD 12-inch flex tripod and ball head combo offer stability for various shooting angles. Accessories aside, the kit includes a plethora of extras, filters, remote control, card reader, cleaning kit, and memory card case, among others. It's a comprehensive bundle that caters to both amateurs and seasoned pros. While the sheer number of items might feel overwhelming, the value they add to your shooting experience is undeniable. If you're ready to level up your photography or videography game, this Sony A7 III Kit might just be the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.